G'day guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now today I'm going to do a simple recipe. It's one of my mum's recipes. It's a simple pasta dish that anybody can make. Ingredients is not much at all. It's just some yogurt, some garlic cloves, some pine nuts, minced lamb with some spices and herbs, and your choice of pasta. In this case I'm going to be using spaghetti. Shell pasta works better because it holds all the yogurt and that. But anyway, I'm going to show you the ingredients and we'll get cracking on the cooking. Okay guys, here's my ingredients here. I've got 2 cloves of garlic there. And I've got the yogurt. Now you can use Greek yogurt. I've actually got just natural yogurt there. And I've got some pine nuts. Now these pine nuts are like $80 a kilo, so they're not very cheap at all. So there's about a tablespoon there, roughly. Obviously salt and pepper. Now I'm using minced lamb here with I've already seasoned it with a variety of spices and all that sort of stuff there. So we're going to get on to the next stage, and the next stage is basic boiling pasta. Okay guys, I've got a running boil here in a medium pot. Now I'm going to put some spaghetti in here. Always season your water. About a tablespoon of salt goes in there, and we'll throw the pasta in straight away. Okay guys, it's time to throw the spaghetti in the pot. Now, when I did my apprenticeship and everything and worked in restaurants, never have I ever put oil in the water. It's a waste of oil for starters, and water and oil do not mix. I mean, that's just logic. What does the oil do? Floats to the top. So I have never put the oil. I know a lot of people do, but yeah, hey, look, each to their own. But I'll never put. It's just a waste of oil, you know. So, you know, this method here, once you put your pasta in, you just constantly stir it. Now, in the restaurants, we put the oil after it's finished cooking. We put them in big trays, then put the oil, then wrap them around our knuckles for a serving, and non-stick. So when we want them to go, take them out, put them in the whatever dish you're going to make, away you go. So try it, no oil. Okay guys, in a medium pan now, I've got about a tablespoon and a half of extra virgin olive oil. Now I'm going to throw my pine nuts in here now, and I'm going to just fry them off a bit. You don't want to fry them too much because they're going to fry with the meat as well. As you can see there, I've added the meat, and I'm going to render that fat down. You can, once your meat is cooked, you can tip out the fat, but I render it all the way down, you know. So, but the pine nuts, make sure they don't burn. And once this is done, we can get on to the next stage, which is the yogurt itself. Okay guys, this is in the medium bowl here. I'm putting roughly about 4 or 5 tablespoons of yogurt, about half a cup, maybe a little bit more. And what I'm going to do here is I've got some seasoned salt there with some pepper, black pepper. Now you can add a bit of tanginess to this with a little bit of lemon juice if you wanted to. There is the crushed garlic that I did, turned it into a paste. Now give this a good mix. Mix it all up. And once that's all mixed up, make sure your pasta has to be hot. Because remember, we're working with cold yogurt here. So once your pasta is really hot, throw it in there. Okay guys, I've put my spaghetti in and I'm thoroughly mixing it. Now if you need to heat this up, if you find it's just gone on the cold side a bit, you can warm it up again. Just be careful, don't dry out the yogurt. That's the problem with yogurt, it dries out quick. So give that a good mix. I'm going to plate it up, put the meat over it. Okay guys, now I'm going to plate this up. Let's use some tongs or something. Just swirl it around and put it in the center. Now it's nice and creamy, as you can see. So you work out what consistency of yogurt you want to put. Okay guys, there's the finished dish, absolutely delicious. Now you got to give this a go guys. It's not a hard dish to make. The ingredients are quite simple. I know there's a lot of people out there that probably don't like yogurt. Greek yogurt is probably the way to go with this. Like I said, I used to use natural yogurt. Give it a go. Keep it simple. You know, the mince lamb, the spices in that is just garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, some herbs, a bit of cayenne pepper. That's about it. Anyway, guys, I really hope you like this recipe. My mum was a brilliant cook. Learnt a lot off her, rest of her soul. And Owen, I challenge you to make this pasta because I know me and Owen are going to do collabs again. Like, comment, subscribe. See you all later.